Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
For a reliable beef masala, start by measuring all ingredients precisely. Use 500 g beef cut into 2 cm cubes and marinate with 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp turmeric, 5 tsp salt, and 1 tsp chili powder for 30 minutes. This tenderizes and flavors the meat. Slice 2 onions thinly and dice 3 tomatoes into 1 cm pieces. Set out 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp coriander powder, and 2 bay leaves so everything is within reach. Begin cooking by heating 2 tablespoon oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat. Add marinated beef and sear for 5 to 7 minutes, turning pieces to brown all sides. Avoid crowding the pan. Remove beef, then add sliced onions and sauté 6 minutes until golden. Stir in diced tomatoes, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp coriander powder, 2 tsp garam masala, and cook 8 minutes until oil separates. Return beef. Add 1 cup water. Bring to a boil, cover and simmer on low for 45 minutes. To finish, uncover and increase heat briefly to reduce sauce if needed, cooking 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens. Stir in 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro and 1 tsp lemon juice, then taste and adjust salt. Simmer 5 more minutes for flavors to meld. Let the dish rest 10 minutes off heat so juices redistribute. Total active cooking is about 1 hour and 10 minutes, plus the 30-minute marinade. Serve beef masala with steamed rice, 2 warmed naan breads, or a fresh side salad, and garnish with extra cilantro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.